Fireworks. This episode is all about fireworks. There's too much going on to explain, but the first thing you saw was based on stuff I really created with simple fireworks like sparkling stars and matches. I'm going through it quite quick because I created a lot of fireworks folders. What you're seeing here are basically folders, mostly unfinished, with fireworks for sale. I used to collect them and stare at them because, of course, internet didn't exist yet, so folders was the way to go. So the first drawing you saw was from the late 80s, and this one is, you can actually see the years. This is for 1994, so it was made in 1993. And that's also the case for most of the other folders you'll see next. So I was kind of a fireworks freak, really. Actually, I think 3 years ago from recording this, I actually created my own fireworks show. It was kind of successful, but it was just a private show, just only some family members seeing it. But I recorded it. And you will see that in the far, far future when we arrive at that time period. But now we're still at my childhood, sort of. 95, then I hit my puberty. I'll shut up now and let you just watch this madness. You like it when I shut up? I'm back for a moment to tell you that this is the only folder that was actually completely finished. Man, that was a lot of work. But we're still continuing. And I'm shutting up again. To tell you something again, this is a drawing of 3 from the fantasy rockets you saw in the previous folder, but now realistic. Of course, everything is in the Dutch language, so it's a lot more fun to watch this if you understand that language. But well, that's what it is. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna translate everything. You don't even want me to translate everything. And that's it. That's a lot of fireworks drawing up until the year 2000. See you in the next episode, I hope.